If you're choosing between Callaway Reva and TaylorMade Kalea, this isn't just beginner set versus beginner set. It's forgiveness versus performance tuning. So, which one actually improves your golf? Let's break it down. Callaway Reva is built for maximum forgiveness. The clubs are designed to launch the ball easily, reduce mishits, and build confidence, especially for beginners or slower swing speeds. But here's the catch. It prioritizes ease over performance. As you improve, you might outgrow it faster. TaylorMade Kalea takes a more performance-driven approach. It's lighter, faster, and designed to generate more clubhead speed and distance, which can actually help you improve faster over time. The downside is that it's slightly less forgiving, so beginners may need more time to adjust. From real user feedback, Reva is super easy to hit, great for starting out. Switch to Kalea, lighter and better distance. So which one improves your golf? Choose Callaway Reva if you want easier swings, more forgiveness, and confidence as a beginner. Choose TaylorMade Kalea if you want better distance, faster improvement, and a set you won't outgrow quickly. Bottom line, Reva helps you play better immediately, but Kalea helps you improve faster long-term. And for most players serious about getting better, Kalea is a stronger choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.